Living donor transplantation, in comparison to deceased donor transplantation, is the gold standard treatment for end-stage organ disease for numerous reasons, such as prolonged graft survival, avoidance of dialysis for those with end-stage renal disease, and decreased time waiting for an organ. To be considered living organ donors, individuals must undergo extensive testing. In addition to the rigorous evaluation and surgery, recovery is a critical part of the process. Importantly, not all candidates are cleared for donation, and in rare circumstances, there are suboptimal recipient outcomes post-transplantation. Psychological distress may occur to both recipients and donors in these scenarios. Peer support is rooted in the idea that people with shared lived experiences can offer empathy, validation, information, and hope to one another. Within the literature, the concept of peer support has been associated with improved health-related quality of life and patient self-management. In today's task-oriented and resource-limited healthcare system, evidence suggests that peer support programs can serve as timely and cost-effective means to enhance our center's ability to offer high-quality care to living organ donors. Through a local environmental scan, we found an unmet need for living donor support. Furthermore, this sentiment was echoed strongly by previous donors during recent cursory investigations along this topic. To address this crucial gap in support, we got to work. We are proposing the creation of an optional living donor peer support platform. Through the creation of a digital tool, we hope to facilitate easy exchange of patient peer support in a format conducive to the current COVID-19 landscape. The objectives for this platform are to offer personalized peer support to living organ donors. We plan on developing a system to pair living donors based on a set of shared characteristics. Through an easy-to-use interface, donor pairs will be able to communicate with each other. Provide a centralized platform for existing pre- and post-donation resources. Our platform will help patients to navigate information available through the UHN website and the Center for Living Organ Donation. Uphold patient safety and accessibility standards. We will comply with UHN's privacy policy throughout the designing and delivery of our platform. Ultimately, our platform will enable users to interact with other donors with whom they share characteristics, as well as access educational resources, thereby enhancing their experiences as living donors. To achieve our goals, we intend to carry out the following. Collect and analyze staff and patient-level data from cross-sectional surveys to evaluate the need for patient peer support while considering platform security and privacy requirements. Consult with living organ donation and information technology specialists to develop the content and structure for a pilot platform. Work with staff to develop a streamlined patient onboarding procedure, which includes gaining consent and a comprehensive patient code of conduct. We'll clarify that patients should not exchange medical advice. Create and pilot an interactive digital platform to appraise content, design, and functionality. Monitor quality metrics as well as staff and user feedback to streamline and enhance the peer support platform. In short, our aim to ameliorate the living donor experience at Toronto General Hospital will be met by the creation and implementation of a novel platform which offers comprehensive resources and capabilities for patient self-efficacy and the exchange of patient peer support. Through collaboration with the Center for Living Organ Donation, we will leverage local resources and opportunities to create an evidence-informed platform feasible and acceptable for adoption by other living donation programs provincially and afar.